All right, so this gal just flew in from Dallas, and she's gonna tell us what's going on.
All right, guys, so I went to St. Martin with my fiance and his family. We went on a boat, we went snorkeling, swimming through the water for probably about 6 or 7 hours or so. And my hair became severely matted from the water, the salt, the wind. So I have rocks in my hair and vacation gone bad.
So I haven't seen this yet. We talked yesterday. Remember, she lives in Dallas. I live in Raleigh, North Carolina. She said, I'm hopping on a flight. I'm coming to see you. And yes, a snorkeling, this is stuff that can happen, all right? So, are you ready to unveil?
I'm ready.
Okay, let's do it. Okay. This isn't as bad as like there's a clip in here.
Oh yeah, I put that in there. That's my back still.
So, I see, I'm gonna tackle this side. Kayla, you're gonna tackle this side. And we're gonna get this girl going again. Yeah? You excited?
I'm so excited. So, I can't wait. I found her on TikTok and I was like, listen, I'm coming to see you.
And I have to say, what a gamble. Like,
oh yeah.
What if I didn't show up? I know you had to have thought that.
No, I just was like, you know what, at this point, I will do anything, I will go anywhere.
But she put a lot of trust in me and I'm super excited and we're gonna take care of her today.
My name's Leda. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. If you're not following me already, please follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I'm everywhere, Leda Fazal. So this girl saw a lot of our dematting videos on TikTok actually, and she knew she needed to come to us right away, all right? So she lives in Dallas, Texas. I'm located in Raleigh, North Carolina.
All right, we are mixing up a concoction of conditioner, oil, and water. Okay, because the conditioner is super thick. We're just adding a little bit of oil to make it even more slick and some water to make it a little bit more watered down so we can go and penetrate through these big knots, okay? So we are gonna work really hard at this. Me, Kaylin, and Bree. Yeah. Bree's gonna take it. All right, you excited? Yes, let's do it.
For sure.
Let's do it.
I don't think anybody could have done it by themselves. I even had another guy, Sam, my beautiful Sam. He helped when he could. And it was probably one of the hardest demattings we've ever done.
Good job, Kaylin.
So she went to St. Martin
Thanks for helping in.
and she went snorkeling. She's got real fine hair. She had just gotten her hair highlighted. So, you know, it wasn't, you know, the healthiest, I guess. It wasn't not healthy, but, you know, it had been processed. She's got fine hair. She went snorkeling. She didn't braid her hair. She didn't have it in a bun, which I always suggest. And right after she went snorkeling with, you know, remember, you're wearing snorkel gear, so that stuff gets your hair all kind of tangled up too. Then she was on a boat all day, so it was windy. So she had a mess, okay? She didn't know what to do. She actually went to a salon in St. Martin. And unfortunately, the person there, he took texturizing shears to break up the knot, which not a horrible idea if you're gonna come through and finish it. He did not, okay? So guess what? That hair that was chopped up with the texturizing shears is now in those two big balls of matted hair. So imagine, like, I call them hair patties when I'm in the salon and you look at the bottom of your shoe and there is a bunch of hair stuck to it, right? Imagine that in your hair. This is what we were dealing with. So this girl, I cannot tell you, her name is Bree, freaking sweetheart. She was a Dallas cheerleader, like gorgeous personality inside and out. And she was a trooper, man. She was a trooper because this was not an easy task. I know her poor little scalp hurt, but she was like, come on, let's go. We got to do it. We got to do it. Oh, I didn't mention she's getting married. Yeah, so she's getting married. Luckily, it's 5 months, so, you know, she's going to have time to recover. She's gonna get some extensions, and she's forever in my heart. Like, we're friends everywhere on all platforms. She's amazing. I keep up with her. She keeps up with me. There's some hair. So what you saw coming out was that hair that was texturized inside the matted balls of hair. Had that not happened, this task would have been a whole lot easier, and she wouldn't have lost so much hair in those areas. Okay, so I'm glad she came to us, and you know, it's amazing that this only happened in a week and a half, because typically when we've had dematting clients come in, I'm not gonna lie, it's usually from depression. So, or you know, they've been laying in bed from a surgery or something, so it's like months. This was not months, this was a week and a half, y'all. So this is my best advice. Look, she is in heaven right now. She's like, thank you, freedom. We actually made a funny, we were live the whole time on TikTok, by the way. And we had a saying called free Bree. So Bree was finally free. But anyways, if you're gonna go snorkeling, y'all, please wet your hair, use a leave-in conditioner, braid it tight, okay? 2 braids, tight, or a very nice tight bun, okay?